And we begin tonight with continuing coverage of the lawsuits against the Lott Housing Authority. People living under them claim that they've been served eviction notices after getting a handful of false violations. 6 News anchor Adriana Alexander met with one alleged victim who is now taking the Housing Authority to court. She's here with that report. Adriana?
Stacey Sefji lived under the Lott Housing Authority for about 2 years. During that time, Sefji says it has been a nightmare for her and her family. She's gotten 19 notices that include infestation, housekeeping, and putting other tenants in danger. Well, these violations were unjustified, according to Sefji. Instead, she says the violations issued by the Housing Authority employees, including the executive director Deborah Goffney, were a form of harassment, and she was being targeted unjustly. Sefji says her and her family were wrongfully evicted from their home and no longer live under the Housing Authority. 2 other people have filed lawsuits for similar claims as well. Sefji hopes that her situation will make tenants aware of the rights they have.
It's affected us school-wise. It's affected us in all areas of our lives. I would like just to let others be aware. So if you move into the apartments, be aware that the tenants have rights, that landlords, there are landlord-tenant laws, that they can't treat you like this.
Now on Thursday, a judge ruled in favor of Lott Housing Authority in a legal battle between them and another tenant, Adelia Martinez. You just saw her there. It's worth noting that her lawyer did not show up to court, so she had to represent herself. Tonight at 10, we'll hear from the lawyers representing the Lott Housing Authority as they say the Housing Authority have in fact followed federal guidelines. Chris?
Yeah, very curious to see what they have for their side of the story. Thank you, Adriana.